Are you feeling overwhelmed, uncertain about your future in the UK? With immigration rules changing very rapidly, I know it feels like walls closing in. You are not alone, and today I want to help you find some hope and practical steps to stay legally in the UK. Let's break it down. Recent changes have made life harder for care workers in the UK. From family members of care workers not being allowed to join them. Those of you who rely on family as support system, this feels like a punch in the gut. Also, the removal of 20% salary discount for shortage occupation job. This also is something that raises the financial burden for so many of you. Then there is the minimum salary threshold for skilled workers visa rising from £26,200 to £38,700. As if that wasn't enough. The income requirement for family visas has also increased from £18,600 to £29,000. What this means is something telling you that majority of people that came there using the care route will go back home. But you can bulletproof yourself from such. These changes makes it tough, but I want you to know that there are options. If you are feeling stuck, here are some few things you can start doing right now to improve your chances of staying in the UK legally. The first thing you would think about is upgrading your skills. Let's use a care worker who is currently earning entry-level salary as a caregiver and wants to advance to a senior care position. You should consider certifications or advanced training. Becoming a senior care worker could boost your earnings and help you qualify under the new salary threshold. What do you need to do? Simply enroll in an NVQ Level 3, which is the National Vocation Qualification in Health and Social Care, which is often required for senior role. Many employers, such as care homes, offer fundings or partial reimbursement for completing the qualification. After completion, you can now apply for a senior role, which will mean a higher wage, helping you to meet the new salary threshold. This is one way to cushion the effect, the squeeze that has been introduced. Or let's say you work in dementia care. That is a care worker who specializes in elderly care and you wish to increase your earning potential. All you need to do is to pursue certification in dementia care available through accredited institutions like Skills for Care or NCFE, which is a national awarding organization, and it is formerly known as Northern Council for Further Education. This additional training enhances your skills, making you eligible for specialized roles such as dementia lead in the care facility, which typically comes with a higher salary and leadership responsibility. The next thing you will need to do is probably talk with your employer, negotiate a pay rise, or ask about internal opportunities for advancement. Many care homes support professional development because they need skilled staffs too. If your employer can't increase your base pay, you could request for additional working hours. This could help you cross the salary threshold. That takes us to practical step number 3, exploring other roles. Check if you qualify for other jobs on the shortage occupation list. Transitioning to a higher paying or specialized role can make all the difference. You should know that you are not alone in this, and I don't want you to go it all alone. This means sometimes it is better to seek legal advice. I am not that person because I am not even registered to consult. So don't navigate this thing alone. Immigration's experts are out there and they could explore alternative visa options like family visa or even switching to a student visa if that's a better fit. But don't do it yourself. Consult with a regulated immigration consultant. Tip number 4 will mean you saving strategically. You need to cut back on unnecessary expenses and create a financial cushion. Meeting the income threshold will require careful planning. And one such way you can do this is planning to share costs. You could move into a shared accommodation with other workers to significantly reduce rent and utility bill. The savings from reduced housing costs can go towards such things like your visa financial requirements. Saving proactively to meet income-related requirements also. And that could mean you looking for part-time job if it is legally permissible for you to supplement your main income. Be cautious though about maintaining your visa condition while seeking for additional work. You know, immigration rules can shift, can change due to advocacy or political decision. So I encourage you to stay informed by following updates from trusted sources like the government website of the United Kingdom. Look out for immigration solicitors or migrant-focused organizational group in the UK. Taking proactive steps early can help you adapt to the changing landscape while securing your stay and career in the UK. I know this isn't easy. Many of you moved to the UK to create a better future for yourselves and your family. These changes feel like moving the goalposts, but one thing I know about you is that you are resilient. It will not break you. Remember, every challenge brings an opportunity to grow stronger. Don't give up. There are ways to navigate these challenges. Don't give up. There are ways to navigate these changes. And please, you don't have to do it all alone. Share this video with someone who needs it. And let's support each other. Stay strong and remember, you've got this. And this also shall pass. And each of you, when you recount this journey on a later date, you will do so with a smile, because I trust you would have surmounted. Thanks for watching this video. Share it, and I will see you in the next video.